Hello, and welcome to another update video on silver. Silver is grinding a bit higher today. In my last video on gold, which I uploaded late yesterday, I highlighted that we might see a bounce today. For silver, I said that as well in the video. I think I uploaded that one on Saturday. So we see the expected bounce to the upside today. It's weak, overlapping, choppy. So I'm not entirely sure if silver will attempt to form a more direct move to the upside in wave 5 of 3. Yeah. Can very well try to grind higher in a direct fashion, but I think the focus for this week is to watch how the price reacts to this Fibonacci resistance area. This will be key. So remember, I talked about the larger structure in the last few videos. So if you're interested in that, check these out. I think we just talk a little bit about the short-term structure here, so we can spend a bit more time on that. We don't have a 5-wave move down. As far as I can see, and I could be wrong about that, but as far as I can identify, this is only a 3-wave move down on the silver chart. 3 waves down, followed by a choppy and messy overlapping structure. So for now, I think the blue count cannot be ruled out, which means we have 3 waves down in A, B, C, and B. In some way here we could get a rejection, and then if we see an impulsive rejection this week, then a C wave down can start. That is not bearish. It just means that we are likely going to test the support area here. That's the wave 4 pullback that a lot of people, I think, have been waiting for. We might then test the area around $46.90. I mean, to be honest, this is the 38.2 retracement, an ideal target for a 4th wave. So we might very well test that in an A, B, C structure. Yeah, something to keep in mind. But to reduce, let's say, the likelihood of that, the market needs to break above the pivot, the resistance area, which is at $53.28, that key level, yeah? Because B waves can go high. They could even overshoot. But for now, the price has reacted to micro support. So the idea was that, you know, as long as we're holding here this micro or nano support area, so again, price came down, moved up, pull back into support, $49.95 to $50.53. We could move higher. We're doing that right now. So it's kind of following just the levels, yeah. And we're now entering resistance. So I think, as I said, over the coming sessions, today, tomorrow, we should possibly get a, hold on, didn't want to move anything here. We should possibly get a decision whether the market wants to take the route to the downside. If we form a top in wave B in blue, then we can calculate the target for wave C to the downside. If, however, there is even an increase in upside momentum, of course, we're not going to look for a top in wave B. Yeah, that's just what happens live, so we have to pay close attention to the levels. But if there is no reaction, then, of course, the market might form one more extension. Any further upside from here would be seen as an extension of circle wave 3. I do not think that this is already circle wave 4. It's a bit too small for that. That should give you all the relevant levels for this week. Hope you enjoyed the update on silver. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then yeah, make sure you also check out our stocks membership, where we cover silver and gold as well. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.